Hey guys, it's Dima from DimusTech, and today we're checking the new Google's nearby sharing. We have here my Pixel 2 XL and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and we're going to try the nearby sharing by Google, which is already available here, and as far as I understood, it's available here. Now keep in mind that currently the screen is off and I think the phone is supposed to be unlocked, but we're going to try this anyways. So we're going to go to photos, and I already prepared a photo that we can share. By the way, if you want to watch more photos like this, you can join my personal Instagram, and also there are videos on my other channel, which I will give a link in the description of this video. So let's try to share this via the nearby sharing. We go to share and we see here, and you might need to scroll, the nearby sharing. Click on that. Let's see if it will recognize the device by itself or not. It probably won't, because again this device is currently screen off and locked. So now both of the screens are on, and as you can see, it still doesn't recognize. Let's unlock the device, and I think once yeah, here we go. We have here the option device nearby is sharing, and let's tap on it. And the reason that the text is so big, it's my mom's phone, so that's what's comfortable for her. So currently you can see the device name, and all nearby contacts can share with you. Let's hit turn on, and I guess it's the first thing that is need to be done. And as you can see, cannot access nearby share. To share with devices nearby, turn on Bluetooth, location and Wi-Fi. Now, as far as I know, Bluetooth is disabled, the others should be on. And you just press it and that's it. And we should be able now to find her. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's hit the phone. Here it is. And voila, just press accept. And it's receiving the file, and here it is. In pretty much no time. Now this thing works pretty fast. Sadly, as you've seen, it does require for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and location to be turned on. That kind of sucks, but you can understand. Now, as far as I understand, they pretty much find each other by the location and if they are available on the same network or they sense each other's Bluetooth devices. Which means that you are supposed to be, as it says, nearby. And that's kind of working. Let me try to find some photo on the Galaxy that we can share back, just for an example, and we'll see that it works. So here's a random photo on the Galaxy. Let's go ahead and hit share. Now that's not my photo, obviously. It's not what I took. And we'll search for the nearby sharing. We should see it somewhere here. As you can see, you need to scroll pretty a lot. Here it is. And I pressed on it, and I guess, yep, here it is. Just need to press here. And I'm already visible. Here it is. I hit this, and I should hit here accept. Here it is. And the photo should be here in no time. And here it is. And wow, I have to say, this works really well. Seriously, that works really well. And I think we couldn't pretty much ask for more, I guess. I mean, you just need your device to be Android 6 and later. And keep in mind that it's slowly rolling out, so your device might take some time to actually support it. And it is rolling on the Google mobile services, which means that actually, no matter which device, as long as it supports Google's mobile services, which pretty much every Android device supports it, you will be able to do this sharing. Now, I'm wondering if they're going somehow to bring it to the iPhone. I have no idea, I didn't read anything about it yet, but I hope they are, because it will be a pretty much ultimate sharing option between everyone. Now, I still have to say that I miss the old Bump app, and if you don't know what it is, there was an app that was called Bump. You just open the app, choose a file to share, open the app on the other device, bump into each other like this, and that's it. It will share between them in no time. No other menus or anything required. Sadly, Bump closed after Google bought them, and Google tried to bring something different. Sometimes it was using NFC, sometimes it was using something with Bluetooth, and it never worked out that well like this thing. And I think this time we actually got a pretty good nearby sharing, and I really like it, and I really recommend you to actually try that. Again, keep in mind that it is slowly deploying, so it might take time to get to your device, but I guess everyone will have it unless you have an older version than Android 6, In that case, I think it's time to replace your device. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.